This video is going to teach you how to use knowledge organisers. The 3 success criteria are: I'm going to explain how to use them, describe different revision ideas, and show you the sections you need to use for your assessment for next week. Here are the instructions for use. This is just an example. Show my homework might say for geography, knowledge organiser, how to read grid references. What you need to do is find the section that says how to read grid references, and you need to use this process: look, cover, write, check, review. It says number 1, look, carefully read the section of the knowledge organiser which you are learning. 2, cover it over or put it to one side. We like to use post-its for this. 3, write. Write out as many details as you can from memory. 4, check. Check back over your answer with the knowledge organiser. Anything which is missing or incorrect, add it in a purple pen. 5, review. If you had gaps or parts you didn't understand, repeat the process from step 1. And I need to see evidence that you have been learning all your work off the knowledge organiser. I need to see it written down. Here are some examples of what people have produced using their knowledge organiser. They've produced revision cards in different forms, in colour or tied together. They've also made notes on blank knowledge organisers, so they've printed off a blank copy of the knowledge organiser and copied the information out. They've also produced books, as you can see on the right hand side here. They have used a blank book and they've chopped up their knowledge organiser, stuck the section on the page, and they've written it out over and over again. You can also use a post-it note to cover up sections of your knowledge organiser, because it means you've only got a small section covered up and it's only a small achievable section to learn. When you remove the post-it note, you can use your knowledge organiser to check what you've learnt. These are the sections that you need to know for your assessment question next week. You need to know all the indicators of development and advantages and disadvantages of each of these measures. For example, the disadvantage of GNI is that countries might have a wide variety of income across the country. For example, in Nigeria, the north is much poorer than the south, but GNI is an average figure, so it doesn't show that. You also need to know the key terms standard of living and quality of life, and you need to know how tourism in a low-income country has helped to reduce the development gap. You also need to know information about Nigeria, about transnational corporations, for example Shell, the benefits and drawbacks of transnational corporations, and how aid has helped Nigeria. And from your lessons you'll be able to remember background information and the location of Nigeria. Good luck! Don't forget you already know all of this information, you're just revising it.